Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a little mini unboxing. So this is going to be, I think, a short video. I think. So one of my goals was to feature subscription boxes that are a little bit different. And one of those things is plants. So I've been looking to see what subscription boxes are out there that are not expensive. I'm trying to keep everything under $20, under $15 if I can, but under $20 is pretty safe, and that offer, pretty different things. So one of those is the Succulents Box. So that's a subscription for succulents, and they have different tiers like almost every subscription box does. So they offer an air plant, an air and succulent box, 1 succulent, 2 succulent, 3 and 4 succulent per box options. And then of course they also offer different pricing if you choose like a monthly or a 3-month subscription, 6 months subscription. So there's all that. So for me, I just want to try it out. So I signed up for the monthly box, and for the air plant and succulent box. So that box should have the air plant and the succulent. So I love succulents. I just don't like anything with thorns. So I believe when you do your questionnaire, it asks you that. So for me, I'm hoping that they don't send any thorny little succulents. I like the smoother, different colors would be great. So we'll see how good this turns out to be. So the one I got is 1 air plant and 1 succulent per box, and it's monthly, and it's a $12 box. So I mean, it's not that bad for you're getting plants. And then of course there is shipping and tax and all that, so everything together I paid $18.56. So we'll see if it's worth it, because I know with succulents, for example, for myself, I can go to the flea market that's not far from my house, and I can get succulent at a really good price. So it really, for me, just depends what type of plants they're sending. Like, are they a little bit, one of those harder to come by succulents, or are they your everyday, like I can go to Walmart, I can go to my flea market and find it there. I will say it's a little bit unfair to compare it to, like, for example, my local flea market, because there's a lot of really good vendors for plants at my local flea market. And I'm not even talking farmers market, because there's quite a few around me every weekend, and there's a lot of plant vendors that have really awesome plants. Now, I know a lot of people out there might not be that fortunate, so maybe this is an option for you. So without further ado, let's look at, so this is the box that it comes with. Like, it's very light, but again, they are succulents, and they tend to be on the lighter side. So what I don't know is if it comes like, I'm sorry, this fly is like bothering me so bad, and I think it's doing it on purpose. It wasn't up here in my office all morning. I decided to film. Little bugger wants to be on YouTube. I'm saying it's light. I just wonder how they packaged it so that, it survives shipping. For me, I know some succulents are very delicate, so that's something I'm looking at as well. So let's open this baby up and see what it comes with. Okay. Okay, I'll make sure. Okay, so that's how they packaged it. So let's take a look. So here's one little package. There's this. So is there anything else in here? Oh, cute. Okay, so it comes with, of course, your little receipt and packing slip, and the fact that I subscribe to the 1 air plant, 1 succulent a month option, which is again $12. And then they also sent me these cute stickers. Aww. I love stickers. And these are so adorable. Oh, Succulents Box care instructions. So they send you the little card. And it has the instructions on there to make sure that your plants survive. Cool. All right. And then it sends you the little cards for the succulent and the air plant you're supposed to receive. So that's really neat. At least I'll know if something doesn't look like it should, because now I have a picture. That's neat. So let's open these one up. Hopefully it survived the shipment. Yeah. Okay, so I would say open these up with caution, because again, they've been shipped. So the little succulent is in a little pot like this, but the dirt is that comes in it was all over the place. And my little succulent it's buried. So let me see if I can clean it up. I think I got one with a baby. Okay, so that's my little succulent. And look, a little baby right over here. So I guess I kind of got two. So this is Haworthia Batesiana. That's what it's supposed to look like. And that's your little succulent. It says bright light but not direct sunlight. Good to know. Use a cactus mix or very fast draining potting soil mix with sand. So it gives you a little, and the little card also gives you the further care instructions. So there's that as well. So now let's look at what this one is. Yay! Now for this, I'm gonna have to look at her. Look how pretty. She's pretty. And this is a Harisi Tillandsia. I'm probably butchering these names, but whatever. So this is what it's supposed to look like. And yeah, pretty much the same. So look at that. I would say this is spot on. It says bright indirect sunlight, no soil needed, sand, sea glass, rocks, pebbles, and bark chip can be used instead of soil. That's so crazy. Frequent misting several times a week is necessary. Tillandsia harrisi will also benefit from a soaking bath every week. Well, aren't you just special? Give it a little shake off afterwards to make sure water doesn't collect in the bottom leaves to prevent rot. So, there she is. She is gorgeous. Better hair than me. Ooh, look at that. Can even wear her. So, I mean, is this succulent a rare one? No, because I know I've seen these really inexpensive at the flea market as well. But, I mean, it's a really cool gift if you wanted to send it to someone that, you know, is a plant lover, or just even within plant loving communities. I know there's people that are like, well, I only like this type of plant, or I really like the leafy plants, or I only like flowering plants. If you have a friend that loves succulents, this is a really cool thing to send them, because they're receiving plants in the mail. You didn't have to, you know, go find something, because they select things for you. So all in all, I think it's a good little box to get. I am going to keep it for a few more months to see if by chance there's a difference in what type of succulents they send you. If I'm going to end up getting like a really rare succulent, I would love to get like one of those hanging banana shaped ones, or the pearls. Those would be beautiful if I could get some like that. I don't know if they would send it though, because those tend to be a little bit more pricey. We'll see. For now, I think I would give it a thumbs up for this box. I think it's a really cool, unique gift, or for me, like self gift, because I'm gonna find a pretty pot, maybe like start decorating, reconfiguring my office to incorporate more plants. And this is a really easy way for someone to start off, you know, decorating their home with plants. Succulents tend to be very low maintenance, and air plants, like you heard, I mean, you don't even need to water them. Just like a little mist, and then that's it. A soaking every so often, and then you're done. So I recommend this box for yourself if you're trying to start off, you know, decorating your home with more plants, or if you have a friend that would love to get this as a gift. It's a great thing. Like I said, I paid almost $19 for a box that contained the air plant and the succulent. You can pick just the succulent or just an air plant, and it'll be cheaper. So, great little gift. I loved it, and I think we should give it a try a little bit longer, maybe 4 or 5 more months, and then see what's the assortment of succulents that they send. So let me know what you think. If you have any ideas, let me know if you know of any other subscription boxes that feature plants. I would love to see what those are all about. Again, I'm starting to do these on a little bit lower end budget, also for people out there that don't want to spend a lot of money. So let me know your thoughts, send your suggestions. I want to hear feedback, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.